everyone, this is 3D Squad Workshop, and today I will tell you about my first bestseller wall clock shaped as the space station Death Star from the Star Wars. I found this STL file by accident on the one of 3D searches as Yagi or something like that, and I decided that I want to make it for myself, and then it would be great to make several photos of it for the Instagram. The result turned out to be successful, although it didn't come out without improvements as usual. And it just so happened that some of my friends wanted the same. So I had to urgently order the mechanisms and to make several pieces at the same time. My workshop looked like a Chinese manufacturer. I suggested to move to my workshop with me and look how it was. Preparing the model for printing on the anycubic chiron 3D printer. Chiron is a Greek mythology person, but it isn't our topic for today. I entered the usual PLA printing parameters for the printer and looked the layer by layer scheme, how it would look like. Turning on the support because of some emptiness under the model for the mechanism and a screw for the wall mounting. Several seconds to meditate watching the printer works. I really love to see how anything works instead of me. The time of printing was nearly 25 hours because of lots of parts in the top layers, which are separated from each other with gaps. Then we prepare for printing little spaceships, which are mounted on the second clock hand. We printed with 100% filling because it's not enough big to leave any emptiness inside. Now we enjoy again the work of the printer and pick up our ready models. And now attention, one of them decided to fly away from me in the outer space. Then we begin to dye the clock face. For that we use the light grey primer. The dye lays flat and the color is suitable for us. Dyeing all the little parts from every side. Then dyeing with the black spray our spaceships. Now we begin to install all the mechanisms, but before that we have to unbox them. The mechanism mounted with only one nut. All the hand shafts go through the center of this nut. I put the mechanism in the previously prepared space and then tighten the nut. Due to the fact that these mechanisms are not made to lift weights and even more so spaceships, I had to attach a counterweight to the other end of the clock hand. Then we have to balance the hand, choosing the optimal position for the spaceship and the counterweight. In the chosen position we paste them with the glue and delete the temporary elastic band with the scissors and the hands. Now enjoy the result of our work. If you like this video, sign up this channel, press like, ring a bell, sign up the Instagram, and if you want to order a 3D printed things in Russia or anywhere else, you are welcome to contact us. Russian website is www.3dsquad.ru.